Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting with question number 12 of exercise 6.5, and this is the question. Two poles of heights 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. दो पोल्स हैं जिनकी हाइट्स 6 मीटर और 11 मीटर है और दोनों क्या हैं, एक प्लेन ग्राउंड पे खड़े हैं. लेट दीज आर द टू पोल्स. इट्स ओके. This is the pole AB, whose height is 6 meter, and the another pole is CD, whose height is 11 meter. How much? 11 meter. Question is this: if the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meter, ये दोनों poles के feet हैं. B is the feet of pole AB and C is the foot of pole CD. इनके बीच का distance दे रखा है 12 meter. तो you have to find the distance between their tops. A and D are the tops of the poles, and we have to find this distance. We have to find this distance. It's okay. Now just look here. See the construction. This is the construction part. A, B, C, D, E. Draw AE parallel BC. Draw AE parallel BC. Now this DE will is equal to BC. DE will be equal to BC, and this will be 12 meter, and this CE will be equal to AB, which is 6 meter. Okay. Angle DEA will be equal to angle DCB. DCB is equal to 90 degree because they are corresponding angles. Because they are corresponding angles. Now just look at this triangle AED. Now triangle AED is right angle triangle, and we have to find this distance AD. Now distance between the top of the poles will be given by AD. Now in right triangle ADE, using Pythagoras theorem, what will happen? AD square will be equal to AE square and plus DE square. So now just look here. This AE will be equal to 12 meter. This was 6 meter. Since the whole distance was 11 meter, therefore it will 11 minus 6, that is 5 meter. 5 meter. What will happen? This is 12 square plus 5 square. AD square is equal to 144 plus 25, 144 plus 25, which is 169. Therefore, the AD will be under root 169, and that is 13. How much it is? Meter. So what will be the distance between the top of the poles? That will be how much? 13 meter. 13 meter. Now this is question number 13. Just look at the figure. D and E are points on the side CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC, right angle at point C. कोई right angle triangle है ABC जिसमें point C क्या है? 90 degree. This one. This is the right angle triangle, which is right angle at point C. Right angle at point C. And it is given that D and E are the points on CA. D is the point on CA. Suppose this is a point D and E the point on CB. E is the point on CB. Okay. So you have to prove that AE square plus BD square. You have to prove AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. This you have to prove. Now just look at the construction. कंस्ट्रक्शन में हमने क्या कर दिया? ज्वाइन DE DB एंड A. क्या कर दिया? ज्वाइन, जस्ट लुक हियर, DE DB and which one? AE. ये हमने क्या कर दिया? आपस में ज्वाइन कर दिए. व्हाट इज द कंस्ट्रक्शन? कि ज्वाइन DE DB and AE. Now just look at the proof. In triangle ABC using the Pythagoras theorem. ABC, this is right angle triangle. इसमें Pythagoras theorem यूज करेंगे तो what will happen? AB square, this is the hypotenuse square, is equal to AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square. Now in triangle DCE, DEC or DCE, just look, DCE, so what will happen? DE square is equal to, DE square will be equal to DC square plus CE square. DC square plus CE square. Okay, and now we have the, just look at these two triangles. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. What we will get? AB square plus DE square. AB square plus DE square is equal to AC square plus BC square plus DC square plus CE स्क्वायर. क्या हो जाएगा? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऐड हो जाएगी. ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस डी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए सी स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर प्लस डी सी स्क्वायर प्लस सी ई स्क्वायर. Now just look here, we can combine them. AC स्क्वायर प्लस AC स्क्वायर के साथ जो है मैं ग्रुप बना रहा हूँ CE स्क्वायर का प्लस BC स्क्वायर के साथ मैंने ग्रुप बनाया DC स्क्वायर. इज इट हियर? नाउ जस्ट लुक हियर, AC स्क्वायर प्लस CE स्क्वायर. AC square plus CE square. This will be equal to AE square. This will be equal to AE square plus BC square plus DC square. BC square plus DC square. This will be equal to BD square. BD square. Therefore, what will happen? This AB square plus DE square will be equal to AE square plus BD square. Okay. So therefore AE square plus BD square will be equal to AB square plus D square. We can change their position. So what will happen? AE square plus BD square will be equal to AB square plus DE square. And this we have to prove. This is question number 14. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a ABC intersects BC at point D such that DB is equal to 3CD. आपको क्या है, कोई ट्राइंगल गिवन है ABC और उसके वर्टेक्स A से साइड BC पर जो परपेंडिकुलर है वो उसको पॉइंट D पर इंटरसेक्ट करता है. और किस तरीके से इंटरसेक्ट करता है कि दिस BD इज इक्वल टू 3CD. तो व्हाट यू आर गिवन? अ ट्राइंगल ABC इन विच AD इज परपेंडिकुलर टू BC एंड BD इज इक्वल टू 3CD. तो यू हैव टू प्रूव दैट 2AB स्क्वायर, टू प्रूव 2AB स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2AC स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर. What you have to prove? कि 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. तो just look at the proof कि since BD is equal to 3CD, 3 into CD, therefore BD upon CD will be equal to 3 upon 1. 3 upon 1. Adding 1 to both sides, so what will happen? BD upon CD plus 1 is equal to 3 upon 1 plus 1. So this will be, to take the LCM, BD plus CD upon CD is equal to 3 plus 1 upon 1, that is 4 upon 1. BD plus CD, just look, BD plus CD, that is BC. So BD plus DC is BC upon CD is equal to 4 upon 1. From here, CD can be written as CD is equal to BC upon 4. This is equation number 1. What will be the value of CD then? BC upon 4. Now in triangle ADB, just look at this triangle ADB. This is also the right angle triangle using the Pythagoras theorem. So what will happen? This hypotenuse square AB square will be equal to AD square plus BD square. What will happen? AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Okay, but just look, this BD is equal to BC minus CD. What is the value of BD? BC minus CD. Put in place of BD, BC minus CD. So what will happen? This AB square will be equal to AD square plus BD की जगह मैंने क्या लिख दिया, BC minus CD whole square. Now open this bracket with the help of the formula A minus B whole square, which is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. So what will happen? AD square plus BC square plus CD square minus 2BC into CD, 2BC into CD. और कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज किया मैंने यहाँ पे? A माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर इज A स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2AB. ये वाला फॉर्मूला मैंने क्या कर दिया यहाँ पे? यूज कर दिया. तो व्हाट विल हैपन इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन? AD स्क्वायर और इसके साथ मैंने जो है पहले DC स्क्वायर को कंबाइन कर दिया. AD स्क्वायर प्लस CD स्क्वायर और DC स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर माइनस 2BC इंटू CD. नाउ जस्ट इसके पहले ब्रैकेट लगा दिया मैंने. AD स्क्वायर प्लस DC स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर माइनस 2BC और CD कितना है? फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट दिस इज BC अपॉन 4. तो CD कैन बी रिटन एज BC अपॉन 4. तो व्हाट विल हैपन? AD स्क्वायर प्लस DC स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर माइनस BC into BC square and 2 to the 4, BC square upon 2. Now just take the LCM. So AB square will be equal to 2 into this bracket AD square plus DC square plus 2BC square minus BC square. तो what will happen? इस 2 को जो है यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 2AB square is equal to 2AD square plus DC square plus 2BC square minus BC square is BC square. So therefore 2AB square is equal to AD square plus DC square, AD square plus DC square, this is AC square. So what it will? 2AC square plus BC square. So what will happen at the last? 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. It's okay. Now this is question number 16. Question is this: in an equilateral triangle, prove that the 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. What you have to prove? कि किसी equilateral triangle में 3 times square of one side, यानी that is 3AB square, that is equal to the 4 times the square of one of its altitude, यानी is equal to 4 and this one altitude AD square. What you have to prove? कि 3AB square is equal to 4AD square. So what you are given? You are given an equilateral triangle ABC having an altitude AD, and we have to prove that 3 times side square is equal to 4 times of its altitude square. That is 3AB square is equal to 4AD square. This we have to prove. Now just look in triangle ABC. ABC is equilateral, therefore its all sides will be equal. Therefore AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Since ABC is an equilateral triangle, therefore sides AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Now in triangle ADB, just look at this triangle ADB. Using the Pythagoras theorem, what will happen? This hypotenuse AB square will be equal to BD square plus AD square. What will happen? AB square will be AD square plus BD square. From here we can find the value of AD square. So AD square will be AB square. This BD square will come here with minus sign. So what will happen? AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. Now AD square will be equal to AB square, and this BD will be the half of BC, because in an equilateral triangle the altitudes bisect the opposite side. So this means BD is equal to half of BC. So what is the value of BD? BC upon 2. But BD is how much? BC upon 2. BC upon 2. This we have to put here. Now open it. AB square minus 1 upon 4 BC square. Now take the LCM. AD square will be equal to 4AB square minus BC square. Now multiply these 4 to here. 4AD square is equal to 4AB square minus BC square. But ABC is an equilateral triangle, therefore BC will be equal to AB. So we can replace this BC with AB. So what will happen? 4AD square is equal to 4AB square minus BC की जगह लिख दिया AB square. 4AB square minus AB square is 3AB square. Therefore 4AD square is equal to 3AB square, and we can change the sides. Therefore 3AB square is equal to 4AD square, and this we have to. Now this is question number 15. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 upon 3 BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. What you are given? You are given an equilateral triangle in which this point D is such that BD is equal to 1 upon 3 of BC. So what you have to prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. It's okay. What you are given? An equilateral triangle ABC. It means side AB will be equal to BC is equal to AC, and this point D is given such that BD is equal to 1 upon 3 BC, and this we have to prove. 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. तो सीधा कंस्ट्रक्शन पार्ट. ड्रॉ AP परपेंडिकुलर BC. ये जो रेड कलर्ड है ये मेरा जो है कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क है कि AP परपेंडिकुलर BC. तो देयरफॉर दिस P विल बी द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ BC बिकॉज the altitude of an equilateral triangle bisects the opposite side. Therefore BP is equal to CP, or P is the midpoint of BC. So therefore BP will be 1 upon 2 BC. BP is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? half of BC, and BD is given 1 upon 3 BC. This BD is given 1 upon 3 BC. Now just see the part DP. This DP can be calculated as BP minus BD. What is the value of DP? That is BP minus BD. Therefore DP can be written as, just put the value of BP. BP is half of BC minus this BD is 1 upon 3 BC. Take the LCM. Their LCM will be 6. So 3 BC upon 6 minus 2 BC upon 6, that is BC upon 6. Therefore the value of DP will be BC upon 6. What is the value of DP? BC upon 6. Now in triangle ABP, just using the Pythagoras theorem, so what will happen? AB square is equal to BP square plus AP square. AB square is equal to BP square plus AP square, and again in triangle ADP, this ADP, what will happen? AD square is equal to DP square plus AP square. So from here we can find the value of this one, AP square. AP square can be written as AD square minus DP square, and just put in place of AP square AD square minus DP square. Therefore this equation will become AB square is equal to BP square plus AP square के क्या रख देंगे? AD square minus DP square. Therefore AB square will be equal to BP square plus AD square minus DP square. Just put the value of BP. BP is how much? BC upon 2. BP is BC upon 2 and BD is 1 upon 3 BC or BC upon 3. So this will become BP square. Okay, this is BC upon 2 whole square plus AD square. यहाँ पे कोई चेंज नहीं करना है. Minus DP is BC upon 6 whole square. Now just open them. BC upon 2 whole square is BC square upon 4 plus AD square minus BC square upon 36. Now just take the LCM. The LCM will be 36. So 4 9 ja, so it will be 9 BC square plus 36 AD square minus BC square. Now this 36 will multiply to this side. So 36 AB square is equal to 9 BC square minus BC square is 8 BC square and plus 36 AD square. 36 AB square will be equal to 8 BC square plus 36 AD square. But BC is equal to AB because these are the sides of equilateral triangle. So we can replace this BC with AB. So what will happen? 36 AB square is equal to this 8 BC square can be written as 8 AB square plus 36 AD square. Just transfer this 8 AB square to this side. So what will happen? 36 AB square minus 8 AB square is equal to 36 AD square. हमने क्या किया? इस 8 AB स्क्वायर को इस साइड ले गए तो माइनस हो गया. तो 36 AB स्क्वायर माइनस 8 AB स्क्वायर दैट इज 28 AB square is equal to 36 AD square. What is here? 28 AB square is equal to 36 AD square. Now dividing both the sides by 4. So what will happen? 4 7 ja 28 and 4 9 ja 36. So what will happen? 7 AB square is equal to 9 AD square. What will happen? 7 AB square is equal to 9 AD square. And this we have to prove. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.